MECCO had collaborated with one of their customers to adapt one of their laser marking systems into a laser welding system, which was something new for them. MECCO was looking for a set of researchers since they didn't have an in-house R&D group that could tackle a project like this, and that's why they came to RMU. They wanted my expertise in research and development to fully understand the laser welding process for plastics, and then assemble a team of students that could support the endeavor by incrementally building up the capabilities of MECCO and RMU to be a full-service system. Between RMU and MECCO, we had a really nice complement of skills and needs where RMU is looking to do research that has real-world applications. So our students have gotten first-hand experience going to manufacturing conferences and meeting with suppliers, meeting with end users. They're really just getting a full experience and understanding of what it means to be an engineer and to be part of a larger ecosystem of engineering and economic activity.